Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer photos from Galaxy to Windows using Samsung Flow. To begin, ensure that both your Galaxy device and Windows computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, download and install Samsung Flow on both your Galaxy device and Windows computer. Once installed, open Samsung Flow on both devices. On your Galaxy device, tap Start. You will see a prompt to establish a connection with your Windows computer. Select your Windows device from the list that appears. A notification will pop up on your Windows computer. Accept the connection request by clicking on Allow. Now, your devices are successfully connected via Samsung Flow. On your Galaxy device, tap on File Transfer. You will now see a File Manager interface. Navigate to the folder where your photos are stored. Select the photos you wish to transfer. You can select multiple photos if needed. After selecting, tap on Send or the Share icon. Your selected photos will begin transferring to your Windows computer. On your Windows computer, you will see a notification of the incoming files. Once the transfer is complete, you can open the folder where the files were saved. Review your transferred photos to ensure all of them are received. You have successfully transferred photos from your Galaxy device to your Windows computer using Samsung Flow. Feel free to disconnect the devices if needed, or keep them connected for further transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.